Now we see how to install Align in our system. So go to your browser and type Align VLSI and hit enter. Click on the first link and go to the README. Here you will see the documentation, and then there is getting started. So here are two requirements which you have to satisfy, like GCC is greater than equals to 6.1.0 and Python is greater than equals to 3.7. And then there are two commands for export, and there is a clone the aligned source code. So we have to copy this git clone and then go to the folder where you have to set up your align. Here open the terminal and just paste the copy text and hit enter. It will take some time to download the align, so wait for it. Okay, it is downloaded now. Now go to the align public folder. Now open the terminal here and go to your browser. Uh, yeah, here you will see the create a Python virtual environment. So type these three commands here. Okay, now source. Mm, okay, now our pip is installed successfully. Okay, now install align as a user, like pip install dash v dot. So it will take some time to install align. Y- I'm skipping this part. You just need to follow all the commands written in the README of align, and then you will successfully install the align.